Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. It's a little bit later than usual on this Sundays because Robin had a breakfast date with her brother. Very cool. So it pushed our normal Sunday shopping about 30 minutes, so not bad. There were a few people wandering around kind of like totally lost. Yeah, oops. Amateur hour. But definitely some football fans. I saw some Pittsburgh Steelers fans, husband and wife team, ducked out in the black and yellow. Yeah. All right. So last night I did not prepare the chicken meatball, ricotta meatball. I just wasn't feeling well. So we ended up having, I boiled up some linguine. Robin did her thing. I'm actually going to say what she did. She took the last bit of the Reuben dip and added it to her linguine. She says it was really good. Cheese, it's a whole cheese thing. Me, it was, butter, olive oil, some garlic, granulated garlic, just real plain, just the dusting of Parmesan. Today is something fun and easy, super easy. Because I am going to take the day and work on the soup cookbook. I'm going to just put everything out of my mind and work on the soup cookbook and my normal, usual Sunday stuff. Today is taco salad. We tried this recipe. There's parts of this that don't need a recipe, but there's one little thing that in it is the dressing. But I've been craving this since I chose it for selection. I'm really looking forward to tonight's dinner. Again, it's taco salad. One pan, that's all I need. That's it. We're using ground elk or elk hamburger. My taco seasoning, which has actually been kind of a hit in the urban spice blend world, and for my blends. The dressing is sour cream, salsa, lime, and that's it. A little bit of salt and pepper, not much. We're using the recipe that calls, that we're basing this on, calls to you do your own corn chips, blah, blah, blah. So we'll have a couple choices, either strips. I like the Doritos, so we're going from there. And then we're using just good old iceberg garden salad bag. There's avocado, cilantro, Roma tomatoes, which I'll dice up. I'll also finally slice up some green onions. Again, more salsa, black beans, corn, good old Tillamook spicy Mexican blend cheese, and of course, for me, the pickled jalapenos. Love them. So, real simple. It's build your own. Super, super simple. Frees up a lot of my day, or parts of my day, to do something like work on the soup cookbook. Facebook update. I'm still in partial Facebook jail. I don't get it. But I've been working the workaround, trying to get you content. It's hard to share content when you're not getting content in your feed because this new profile, yeah. So, but I'm working on it. All right. On this sunny Sunday here in Sutter County, California, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.